Right, this is yet another of the pocket money toys that are available now. This is a Flush Force. It's a toy toilet. You don't get a lot of toy toilet toys. Toy toilet toys. Toy toilet toys. Toilet toys. Toys toilet. Grand Illusions does quite a nice video about toilet toys. At the moment, with the lack of toilet roll, this toy is there's no toilet roll comes with it. That might be better than actually a normal toilet. Just a toy toilet roll that you could use in place of normal toilet roll afterwards. I don't know what I'm talking about, but this is a Spin Master toy. Quite like a lot of Spin Master's ideas. They seem to just chuck loads of ideas out there, hit and hope that something will stick. But they always seem to have some quite innovative ideas. Yeah. So apparently what you're supposed to do is you lift the lid, you put water in the cistern and then shake it and something comes out. Hopefully not a big piece of poo. But yeah, the zeitgeist, the European culture has a lot of this sort of stuff, doesn't it? Mannequin piss, the crapper, the little crapping boy that's good looking, one of the European countries, can't remember. Anyway, so we'll begin the experiment by filling the cistern with the water. Oh, hang on, I can't do that because it has a... the cistern's blocked. Cistern's blocked. Get me a toy plumber. So these are the Flush Force. I think lots of random... So it's obviously a bit of... It's like Grocery Gang, isn't it, really? The old gross out themed toys. But this you actually has the gimmick of filling it with the water. So I'm supposed to fill the cistern with the water. Which I'll do. No. Oh god. I don't know whether I'm supposed to put the cistern back on. But apparently I'm supposed to give it a bit of a shake. Ah, there we are. It's revealed the. Oh, well, that's a bit disappointing. I thought it would fizz and bubble and come out somehow, but all it's done is it's just removed the window there. So now there's some toy little items floating in the bowl like turds. I've literally bought crap. So lift the... Oh god, that's quite gross. I suppose that's the point, isn't it? Ah ha ha, look at the gross thing in the toilet. Let's get it open. So someone has pooed out a toy hot dog? Is that a hot dog? Yeah, very much in the style of Grocery Gang. I don't know if these items are actually supposed to be things that somebody's pooed into the bowl, because they don't look like they've been digested. They just look like food items. So yeah, well, the water feature gimmick was a bit disappointing. The items themselves are very much like Grocery Gang. Yeah, what a load of crap. Peace out.